Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be sharing Zara haul with you, elegant pieces you need from this summer and some of the casual pieces you need to build your casual wardrobe. And if you don't want to miss any pieces of this, continue watching. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and you are very welcome. Guys, the first items I will be sharing is this amazing number. Look at the gorgeous of this blazer. If you are searching for a summer blazer, a very light rose blazer, I would say go for this number. I hope you can see it. It's very lightweight. So this is a summer blazer. It's very essential. It's elegant. It's chic. If you are searching for those blazers that you want to use it for work or for more official, I will also go for this number. I don't know if you can see the button. It's very settled. I would say this blazer is more like everyday blazer. Those blazers for business, for work, because it does not have those gaudy buttons. It's not shiny. It's very settled. I hope you can see the rose. It's very settled. It's very gentle to the skin. I would say this number here is must have for summer, and it's very light. I hope I'm able to show you. It's very beautiful. I would say this number here, you can go to your true size because it's very oversized. And in fact at Zara they have their sale, I would say is plus. This is the time to buy the right blazer for work, for business, for more official, for church. You can't go wrong with this type of number. Look at the neckline. It's amazing. It's gorgeous. Look at the length on me. I would say this type of blazer is very lovely. What I love about this blazer, I feel that the rose color is very settled, because I have other rose blazer but I don't have this type of rose. I don't know if you can see it. This type of rose, you can even use it as a neutral, especially if you have those sleeveless dress, just want to add something to your shoulder. I will say this is number for you, because the fact that the rose is very settled, it's gentle to the skin, and if you need a blazer you need for a work, for business, official place, I will say this is your number. And what I love about it, I don't know if you can see it, is huge. I will say if you are somebody that is not fan for oversized blazer, I would say size that. I don't know if you can able to see it. It's huge, like really. I just love it. But personally, I don't mind. I love this oversized fitting. It's just something, I think it look very put together. It's chic and it look very expensive. And the next items I will be sharing is this number here. Look at this number. Wow. And if you have my shape, I will say go to Zara, give this pants a try. Wow. The fit is amazing, and you know that if you have the type of my shape that you carry most of your weight in your waist area, pants is something at times is very funny. It's not the easiest thing to buy. Let me just put it that way. Look at this number. It's very super high waist, and the waist area is a little bit fitted on the end, so it just give you that opportunity to make you look put together, so you are not forced to buy oversized. You can go to your true size. This number here is amazing. It's very elegant. I will leave all the links below so that you can go and search for it. You can try it, you can give it a try. And if you're a cool babe, I will say give this number a try. It's very elegant and tasteful. I will say this type of number, you can't go wrong. And for size reference, I decided to take it in media. I hope you can see it. It's amazing. I will say this type of pants, when you are going to work, you are going to church with a white cami, or if for evening art, why not? I will say any blazer, any crop, since the pants is very super high waist, you can't go wrong. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, depends on your destination. I have intention to style both of them together, the pants and the blazer, but at the same time something that you can separate, because in the evening art I love tailor pants with those elegant blazer. It's just something that can just take you to the next level. Personally, I love styling a tailor pants with blazes. You know, Zara have those blazes that is very exaggerate. With this type of number, you can't go wrong. It's just able to take evening out. At the same time, maybe those days you don't feel like wearing jeans, you don't want to wear dress, go for a tailor pants. It will make you put together very elegant and bougie and tasteful. You can't go wrong. I hope I'm able to show you. It's very lightweight and it's beautiful. Guys, the next number I will be sharing is this deep green. Look at the details of the button. It's amazing. Wow, look at the contrast to my skin tone. Wow, I would say this green is very deep. It's amazing, although it's a little bit heavyweight, but I have intention to style it maybe next 2 months. I just love the fit. If you are searching for a blazer that is a little bit cropped, it's not oversized blazer, I would say go for this type of blazer, because I have other green one that is a little bit oversized. The other one is a little bit cropped, but this one I think is just the average one. I just love the fit. I think the fit is amazing, and the colored. If you have any floral white dress with this number, you can take it to the next level. It's amazing. Because personally, when I'm styling sleeveless dress, I love adding blazer on top of my shoulder because it depends on my destination. Like the one I'm wearing now, it's just a way to play with outfit. It's just a way to look put together, look comfortable with yourself, but at the same time look very, very tasteful and appropriate. I love this number because I know that if it goes with white and blue, if you have any white short denim with this number, you will take your summer to the next level. Any blue denim short, pants, just name it, you can go wrong. Or you can do matching. If you have any green pants, you just want to take it to the next level, or you have any dress that have a details of green, wow, you can take this blazer to the next level. I have invitation to style it all over again. And if you want to keep it easy, you are somebody that is not comfortable with color, I will say style it black. Black is the most easiest way to style this type of green. It will just bring it down immediately. It will just make it look very, very subtle, very, very gentle. It won't be all over the place. Of course, if you are like me, you don't mind, you can style it with white denim just to take it to the next level, because I love looking bougie a little bit, you know. This is summer, let's catch fun with color. I love this number, and for size reference, I decided to take it in large. I think you can't go wrong for this type of number. I hope I'm able to show you. Let me show you the back. The cut is amazing. You will see it on the cutter. This type of number is very, very elegant and bougie. This number, the only defect I will say, the length is very, very short. That is the only thing you will take in consideration. I decided to take it in large, and it's very, very affordable. It's something that you have interest for. I think this number is very, very elegant and chic. I have invitation to style it with this number here. So guys, let me know what you think. Guys, I think these two numbers, they are very, very lovely together. Although this skirt, you can still style it with other blazer or other cami you have at home. If you have any neutral, I hope you're able to see it. I think this number will go well with a silk neutral cami. I think you can't go wrong with this type of number. Although I have invitation to style both of them together, and I have invitation to style them separately, I think this number is very, very lovely. Guys, I think this number, they look nice together for evening art, for dinner. If you have evening party, I will say this type of number, you can go wrong. Look at the elegance, the class is very, very lovely. I think this will look nice in everybody type. Before that, you have this short skirt, but you have blazer. It's just a way to bring both of them together to make them look very, very lovely. Although you can separate them, it's not necessary to style it with the blazer. This number here, you can style it with any neutral cami or green cami or white cami, a button down oversized cami. With this number, wow, you will look put together and very, very tasteful. And for those days you want to dress very, very casual with oversized tee and sneakers, you can go wrong. It's amazing. Look, let me show you the fit. What I love about this skirt is the waistline. In fact, that they have this A fit. For my body type, it looks very, very nice. The only difference I will say, Zara, where is the length? That is the only defect I will say. I think this type of number, you can't go wrong. Let me show you. And in fact, that is very, very affordable. I will say this plus. I love this type of number because it goes with any type of green you have in your wardrobe. Guys, look at the number I will be sharing here. This jumpsuit. And if you have been watching my video, I have other one that look like this. So if you are searching for it, because that number is said that I will say take this in consideration. In terms of size, in terms of shape, they are the same thing. In terms of fit, so you can really play with it. I think Floral, you can't go wrong. I just love the elegance because the other number, I'll be wearing it non-stop. Anytime I style it, everybody compliment with me. So I decided to pick this number. It's just question of a little bit of different of color. I said this one have, this number here have more blue. The other one have more rose color. I hope I'm able to show you. The fit is amazing, and if you're a cool babe, don't worry, go to your true size because it's very, very elasticated. I hope I'm able to show you. We see it on the cutter. What I love about this type of number that is this summer is must have. You can style it with oversized cami, you can style it with a blazer, you can style it with different items you have in your wardrobe. I hope you're able to see it. It's amazing. I just love it because this type of number, anytime you style it, it will look very, very fresh and new because it's something that you can really play with. You can take the floral inspiration to style your blazer because you can style it with different type of color of blazer. I love this type of number that I can style all over again. And you can add any sneakers of your choice with your casual jeans jacket. You are ready to go. Or if you want to dress it up with your pants of it, you are ready to go. It goes with a lot. Give it a try, and it's very, very elasticated. I just love the color. It's just a way to stay away from dress. If you are someone that is not comfortable with a floral dress, I would say take this jumpsuit in consideration. I hope I'm able to show you the length. It's amazing, and the color is very, very lovely. You will see it on the cutout. You can bring it down. You can style it with a black blazer, dark blazer, or even a colorful. Those days that you have a party, you just want to look put together, but without overdoing it. this number with your blazer, you are ready to go. So let me know what you think about this jumpsuit. Well, personally, I just love it. Guys, the other number I will be sharing is this amazing number. Look at the details of the button. I hope I'm able to show you. It's amazing. This pants is lovely. If you are searching for a pants that you need to style for those official situations, I would say go for this number. It's very elegant. It's very put together. You can't go wrong with this type of number. I just love the elegance, the class, because this type of number, what I love about it is that you can style it up, you can style it down, you can take it to the next level. When you are going for a business, you are going for work, this type of number, you can style it with your oversized cami, with your cami, with your tee, depends on your sense of fashion. And for those days that you just want to go for a shopping but you still want to look put together, imagine yourself with a white plain cami, with your sneakers, your basket bag, with your shade, you are ready to go. I love this type of number. I think this type of number is a Castro wardrobe. It's those items you need in your wardrobe to build your wardrobe, to take your wardrobe to the next level, because it's something that you can really play with. You can style it in different ways. You will see it on the cutout. It's very elegant and bougie. I would say if you are searching for a pants for job, for work, I would say this is the number for you. I don't know if you can, and you can go to your true size. Personally, I tend to take it in this type of number. You can't go wrong with any type of blazer. Since it's white, it's neutral, it's a classic. Guys, the other number I will be sharing is this gorgeous number. Look at these pants. Wow. What I love about tailor pants is the elegance, is the class. It's something that will just make you put together instantly. I love this type of number that is very chic. Let me show you the details on the leg side. It's amazing, and it have this amazing pockets. Wow. If you are searching for a pants for work, I will say this number here will take you to the next level. In fact, that is very elegant and bougie. It's plus, it's win-win. And look at the price point. It's amazing. And if something that you have interest for, the back side have a little bit elasticated. I hope I'm able to show you. It's a little bit elasticated in the back side. I would say this type of number, you can't go wrong. I love this type of pieces in my wardrobe, because I know that it's going to take my wardrobe to the next level. These items is those items you wear all over again, because you can style it for a casual situation and you can take it to the next level. Guys, the other number I will be sharing is this jumpsuit. I hope I'm able to show you the cutout on the back. Wow, and it's very elasticated. I would say this type of number, I love having it because those items you can style as loungewear, you can style it up, you can style it down. To go to grocery store, you are ready, because since it's a jumpsuit, so you don't need to overdoing it. It's very easy to break down. It's very easy to take to the next level. With a black pair of sandals, in evening out with your blazer, you are ready to go. Or with a white sandal, since it's black, it goes with lot. And if you're somebody that love playing with color, why not? A green sandals with a blue bag, this number, you will take it to the next level. Personally, I love styling this type of jumpsuit with a blazer. That's why I decided to pick this black, but I know that it goes well with different blazer I have in my wardrobe. Just look at this combo together. Wow, for evening out, I think you can't go wrong with this type of number. With your pairs of heel, with your bag, you are ready to go. And you can always decide to play with the combo of the color, since the jumpsuit is black, so you can add any colorful blazer or even neutral. Or if you're somebody that love a total black outfit, depends on the destination, with a black blazer, you will take this number to the next level. I love these casual items that I can style up, I can style down, I can take it to the next level. And the price point is very lovely. I hope I'm able to show you. I just love it. I think it's amazing. And the fact that it's very elasticated, so you can go to your true size. So take that in consideration. Don't size up, go to your true size or size down. I hope I'm able to show you. It's very elasticated. I love this type of number because it's comfortable for this summer. With this number, with any blazer of my choice, with my sneakers, I'm ready to go. For evening out, a pair of heel, wow, you will see it on the cutout. It's amazing and it's very lovely. Guys, let me know what you think about these pieces I picked from Zara. I tried to pick a casual pieces and elegant pieces. I think we need both in our wardrobe. Depends on your destination, depends on where you are going. And if you want to see other haul for me or other brand for me, leave me a comment below. I will take it into consideration. And if this is the first time you are coming across my channel, consider to support my channel, subscribe and give me a huge thumbs up, and you are very welcome. My name is Zara.